Good morning. I want to show you a new technology I am absolutely thrilled about. So it is called Quilbot, and I really think our students could really use this. So if you go to quilbot.com, we can either use this in a window or we can add this to our extensions, our Chrome extensions. So it can paraphrase. It's a paraphraser, a grammar checker, a plagiarism checker, a co-writer, or a summarizer. It's even a translator or a citation generator. So I'm super excited about this AI technology. The AI technology and the bot technology and has really generated some negative press. So I was sort of thinking of ways how we could embrace all of this. And I think we really found a way to do that in Quilbot. So I was really thinking about summarizing and how difficult it is for some of our students to summarize text. So Quilbot really gives our students a way to do this. So if we hit summarize, we have to be on the summarizing part. So over here, it's the purple. So we click summarize. And then what we're going to do is we're going to paste the text into this left-hand side. So I'm going to go to a text that we're reading this week in English 2B. So I'm going to highlight this text I would like to summarize. And so I'm going to copy it. And then now I'm going to paste it into Quilbot right here. And so now I'm going to click summarize. And so, well, first we have a choice. If we could either summarize the key sentences or the whole text. And if we select paragraph. So I'm just going to keep the whole text summarized. So I'm just going to click summarize. And then we also have a choice on our summary length right here, up here. So, and our whole summary is 195 words. So the summary appears right here on the right side. So, basically 2 paragraphs. And so if I wanted to extend this summary and make it longer, I could switch it and maybe extend this a little bit, and then I'm going to click re-summarize. And so now it's going to re-summarize that and sort of it adds a paragraph. And now I can export this, and it will export it into another document that we can copy this. We can there's statistics, and then I can also select the keywords right here. So there's all my keywords, and also there's so many different choices we can do here. So this is such a great technology. I think it's going to be so useful to our students. The one thing about Quilbot is it does have a word length. So once you hit a certain word length, that's that, and then you have to upgrade to a pro membership. So that's, I guess, the only limitations that I can see with this technology. But thank you. Have a great day, everyone.